Does your Xbox console display washed out blacks and the colors look faded? Then you must change your Xbox console's RGB settings and it will make your game look so much better. So without any further delay, let me show you how it's done. If you are using a TV display, then first make sure that it supports full RGB. You don't need to worry about it if you're using a monitor, like the one that we are using. Now open Settings, go to TV and Display Options under General, and then under Advanced, select Video Fidelity and Overscan. Select Color Space, and you'll see it's selected Standard, which actually means your RGB range is set to Limited. We need to change it to PC RGB. Select it, and it will show you a warning which says the same thing to make sure that your monitor supports RGB full color range. Select Switch Anyway, and then press Skip. Now open Color Depth, and from here, select the highest settings that's available. In our case, we only have one option available, so we'll keep that. Also, check if you have any filters enabled on your monitor or TV's display settings. There's no doubt that the colors are more sharp and pronounced, and the darks are even darker. All of this combined brings out the details to its fullest. Still, if you're not fully satisfied with how it looks, you can tweak every bit of it to your liking by going back to Display Options and select Calibrate TV. Even though it says TV, it also works for monitors. Open it and then follow the on-screen prompts to change the settings to your liking. And this is how you unlock the full potential of your Xbox console's display and make your games look absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you soon.